Fuck. Took me a while to get the phone. Choking spells in November 29, 2018. Oh, scared me to fucking death. Trying to kill me.